Hey everyone, my name is Brian Alderman, and I wanted to take a moment to personally invite you to my upcoming workshop, Becoming a SharePoint Online Admin Expert at the infamous 365 EdgeCon. In this workshop, we will begin by creating an Office 365 trial tenant, and we'll add some users and groups to that tenant, and we'll grant the appropriate roles and permissions to those users and groups that we'll use throughout the workshop. In addition, this trial tenant can also be used in upcoming sessions at the conference as well as workshops at this conference. And you can also use this as a sandbox when you get back to work for something to dabble in. I will then introduce and explore the deployment, configuration, and management of SharePoint Online by using both the SharePoint Online Admin Center as well as using PowerShell commandlets. We will drill into creating and configuring site collections, exploring user profile settings, discussing how to create a structured taxonomy, explore the different service configuration settings, and review SharePoint Online hybrid considerations. The seats are filling fast, so be sure to register for the conference and my workshop very soon. I look forward to seeing you at the next fantastic 365 EduCon conference.